installed this boiler 4 years ago. It's on its 4th year service now. It's still looking pretty good. Give you a little tour of it. Tried to do all the bends in one. This was back in the days before we had to lag the copper pipes from a boiler. Although this space is heated, we've got a radiator there. You might notice one of the pipes is slightly darker than the others. That's this one here. And if you didn't know why, it's because that one's the cold main. So you've got fresh cold water coming through there. That's the coldest pipe. So any humidity, condensation will find the coldest surface and stick to it, or cling to it. And that's what tarnishes your cold main faster than the others.